Hello guys, it's me Sky, and today we, me and Chloe. Chloe already faced her fears of camera shy. Yay! Also, Chloe, thank you for sending me this drawing. I don't know how to draw in digital art. Seriously, guys, subscribe for Chloe because she faced her fears. Yay! Let's also hit this video to 100,000 like 100 like just okay like wow. Also I have to put it in dark because this is a drawing competition and I don't want to lose again. I don't want to lose. I'm cool. I am Sky. I am so cool. But sometimes cringe. Wow. That theme is JR Stinks. Sorry about that, brother. I am so sorry. Also, JR is my half brother. Do you know that? Like I have to live with this ugly JR like for the rest of my life. Also, also, I am very scared because JR watch my videos 24/7. And so what will happen is JR will hit me in the head again. Like wow, JR, wow, you betrayed me again. Like I'm so scared. He will just come up to me and say, "Why, Sky? Why did you betray me?" And I'm like, "What? Why did I betray you?" Also, JR stinks. Chloe, can you say JR stinks? Because he. Hey yo! Like you're such a free. Wow. Also, Chloe, can you stop coloring for a sec or drawing because I land into an app. Shoot. 1980, 17, 16. I landed to an ad. No. Yeah, I feel very bad. Oh, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can use it all for free. Never die when the world is calling you. And feel the rain out your name. I just never die. One part of you. Our lives are made dreams and the seas are high. You never lose home and everything's cold and it's everything. And the bones, you know that this was cold and everything. Oh, so far, so legends never die. The world is calling you, and I'm screaming out your white every time. And I'm a part of you. Nights of nature, nights and this never die. One of the sea, I'm losing It's loving your lights. Everything's cold and everything burns and love is near. Hope and love is near. Oh, so far, 'cause legends never die. The world is calling you. Alarm and screaming out your name. The legends never die. Oh, so Chloe, what you know what time I wake up? 5 o'clock in the morning. Like wow. Like 12 a.m. No, that's not a thing, Chloe. That's not a thing. Like it's not a thing. It's late. It's very late. It should be like 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. Like wow. For me, I wake up 5 a.m. Like wow. It's early. I will do it darker because it's kind of light. I will fix it. Boom. I like it. I like darky, but still afraid of dark. Like I'm afraid of dark, guys. If you don't know that. So if every time if somebody dares me to go inside of the dark, they lock me in there for like 20 minutes, and I would be like, "Mommy, mommy," because I always think there is ghosts inside of a room very dark. Like Chloe tried to tell me that once, being afraid on the dark, it's nothing to worry about because it's like there's nothing to be afraid of. Like wow, but I still do that to this day. I'm still afraid. Like I'm already 8 years old. I'm still scared. Like but they are. Chloe, can you say Chloe? Can you say JR stinks? Hey yo. So he was like, "What? You didn't stink for like 30 days." But I have Chloe. This is a very funniest story, guys. And Chloe, I actually bought a fart bomb, and then you know that big tree up there. I stepped on it, and then boom, fart bomb. Why are you so quick? Chloe, can you draw? Can you slow down for a sec? Like, let's do it like very slow. He looks ugly. But at least for me, I look cute. Oh my gosh. I think JR is gonna give me a beating. But I don't care. Chloe, can you say JR stings one more time but very loud, like on top of your voice? Like JR stinks! Like that! If you were so no. Chloe, is my voice amazing when I'm singing? Thank you. Also, Chloe's voice by singing improved. I'm so happy for her. Can you do it again, Chloe? Can you sing? Make me a love like that. Make me a love. You don't have anything more. Also, JR really, really, really looks ugly. Like, I don't care if he gives me a beating. I swear, if he, if he bullies me one more freaking time, I will punch him in his jaw. What? What did you say? What did you say? The, the private, the stick in his body, like in his face. Oh yeah, he will beat me up again, but okay, I will keep on punching him. Also, if JR see this video, I'm so dead. Can you go beat him up for me, please, Chloe, so he cannot go outside? Like he's scared of me. Like what? Can you, can you teleport? Can you teleport on JR's house? I'm afraid. Good job. Also, I hate you, JR. I pretended to be your friend. It's because you slapped me in my face so hard, and he's also bakla. Because it's nothing wrong with being a bakla, but he slapped me in the face so hard, and he called me a bad sister. Like, bro, like emotionally damaged. And he doesn't know I have social anxiety. Like seriously, I have social anxiety, JR. You don't have to make it worse. I will have a, what's this? A seizure. Yes, a seizure. That's what I always do if I have panic attacks. You don't know that, Chloe? I have panic attacks and I have a seizure. Like, like my whole body is shaking and then my body refuses to move. That was so creepy. The first time I had that, I was like freaking out, like, mommy, why is it not moving? Why is my whole body not moving? Like, wow. Ah, I'm done with the eyes. Now for the nose. The nose. What are these X marks, Chloe? Oh my gosh, I look like a freaking softie. I look like a softie. I'm a berry. Like, I am a goth, guys. I always wear black, but I cannot find my jogging pants somehow. I don't know why. Wait, here it is. Also, I freaking hate JR. Like you know that, Chloe. He slapped me in my freaking face. Yeah. Like in my face, like face, like ow. Also, he threw me in the ground, and he also choked me. Like he should not he should not come back here and say lying to my face. Also, JR has a crush on a boy in his class. I can share it to all of you guys. He said he has a crush on a boy, his classmate in Barsaga FEB school, and then he he said he was cute, and he said he was he like him, and he's handsome like Chloe. Like oh my gosh, like JR has a crush on a boy. Woo! He's gay. Oh. And he's planning to kiss him and confess his feelings. Like, I am JR. I am JR. I have a crush. Blah 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 blah. Like that. At least JR is not here yet. He's somewhere. I don't know. Yo, JR is gonna be so mad at me. He will be like a raging bull at me. Like, oh, I'm JR. I'm a raging bull. I have a crush already. I have a boyfriend. Like, bro, there's nothing wrong to be gay, but he's still 10 years old. He is so young. There's nothing wrong to be gay, but don't mention anything to your friends who cannot keep a secret, or else they will just make things worse for for your friendship. Like for me and JR, like he said he doesn't like, I mean, he doesn't like to, doesn't like to be my brother anymore. Like emotional damage. Right, Chloe? Do you know that song? Oy, what's emotional damage, anyways? Why do they have to say boom, emotional damage? Also, also, guys, if you don't subscribe, there's Piglet will go inside of your pantry and eat all of your snacks. Subscribe, or else Cookie, Piglet will steal all of your snacks in the middle of the night, and you don't have any more food because she ate it all because she's a fatty. Hey, like Chloe, I'm almost done. Do you know how to edit? Like, bye, guys. Bye, Chloe's fans. We will see you in the next video. Bye. Also, I will record this in Monday. Like, I will have to edit it. But bye.